Hello, my name is Thijme Jonckers. I'm from the Netherlands and currently I'm studying International Forest and Nature Management at Van Hal University of Applied Sciences, and I'm part of the GIS team. We in the GIS team use various tools to gather field data. Think of a sonar or a drone. Mostly we gather field data on the protected Posidonia Seagrass meadows. These are ecosystems which are under great threat by human activity. Gathering data on these ecosystems will provide us with useful insights for conservation measures. Majority of the time a drone is used for this since you can cover big areas in shorter times. So how it works is you fly the drone over a specific area of sea and you take a lot of pictures. Later, when you get back to the office, you combine all these images together in a software called WebODM to make a big image. From this, the seagrass can be extracted, and by gathering this for multiple years or multiple months, you can compare them to see if there's an increase or decrease in the amount of seagrass. And next to using it for seagrass, the drone can also be used occasionally for media purposes.